Jakes in a moment that has stunned millions around the world.
So, this is our brother, T.D Jakes from America. You guys can hear him. He said his ancestors are from Igbo. His ancestors are Igbo, okay? And he's very proud to say that. Very, very proud. You can see how happy he is. You know? That shows you that we Igbos are really representing well outside Nigeria. Okay? Because if Igbos, like for instance, if Igbos in America are not representing well, I don't think he'll be proud to announce to the whole world in BBC interview that his ancestors are Igbos. I'm very proud of it, you know. But because we have good character, they know us, they know our capabilities. We are so industrious, so resilient, children of light. Who has the chibu gozila gozi on leave? Okay, you know. When I look at our history, I'm always very proud because in the whole of Nigeria, we are landed to zero. They landed us to zero, took away everything we had. Our millions in the bank were taken away. Our properties were seized. They call it abandoned property. Our land were turned into ashes. Our people that are working, we are all chased away from their jobs. They turn us, as in they return us into zero. But from that ashes of war, we rose up. And today, what is happening? They can't even see our back. We are far, far ahead of them. And you know what? The funniest part is that they don't have shame. They don't have shame to be talking about us. Every time they're talking about Igbos this, Igbos that. Especially the Yoruba people. Igbo this, Igbo that. Igbo this, Igbo that. Igbo is taking away our land. Igbo is grabbing our land. Igbo went to China and bring something. Igbo is this, Igbo is that. People of no shame. You are talking about people that were landed to zero. People that were, you people landed there, so put them on the bottom. Take away everything they had. Take away all their money. Chase them away from their jobs. Take away their properties. These are the same people we are talking about. And these same people rose away from these ashes and overtake you people. And it's the same people that came to develop your lands. And you have the gods. They are taking away your lands. The same people you took away all their money, they rose up, struggle, make more money, buy away your father's lands, start developing them, and you have no shame to talk about them. People that normally you're supposed to be ahead of, because you have everything at the part of gold. You had everything. Your land were still there for you. Your properties were still there for you. You still have your access to your jobs, to your school education, and all the rest. But still, you couldn't make any headway until they rose from ashes, stood up, and overtake you. And you start crying foul. You don't have shame. Anybody talking about Igbos this, Igbos that, Igbos money and this and that and that, you lack shame. Because if you look at what happened to the Igbos, you should be ashamed to talk about them. You should look at yourself in the mirror and pity your life. And pity your life. Because the people you thought will perish It's now the people are talking about. They are taking this. They are buying off our land. They are this. Shame. Shame on you people.